Hello, this is powerful, and it's for you. Before you scroll away, please listen to these hidden secrets about your health nobody is telling.
Okay, for today, we will still do pawpaw, but in another way of how we're supposed to be eating it. Now we are going to do pawpaw porridge. Pawpaw porridge. From the West Africa, when we talk about porridge, we are talking about making your meals like, starchy food or anything, making it with tomatoes and onions. But some areas like East Africa, when you talk about porridge, you're talking about cereals. You're talking about cereals, millet cereal, millet porridge. Yeah. So today we're going to make pawpaw porridge. And if you watch my yesterday's program, I told you that pawpaw has a lot of nutrients in it. It's nutrients dense. It has a lot of nutrients and it's vitamin C. Remember, anything with vitamin C makes your skin to glow, white, and it also boosts the immune. For some of you that at times you feel weak, engage yourself with this kind of food. Yes, it's vegetable, but after making it now, it becomes food, okay? Yeah, so watch me and see the way to make pawpaw porridge. You get unripe pawpaw. This is very hard. Have you seen it? Yes, when you get your own pawpaw, then you slice. For the porridge, you remove the seeds. And when you remove the seeds, don't dispose the seeds. Like I told you, they are very what? Medicinal. Yes. So then you slice, remove out the back. Okay. And the one thing about food, I always tell people, are you among those that when you are doing anything for people to eat, you will stay the whole day? That is very wrong. You must have how many minutes you used to do any food or to cook anything you are preparing, because at times you see that people, you are preparing the food that sleep has already taken them. So that is it. So you give your pawpaw the shape you want, okay? If you want to slice it in small forms, it's okay. Want to make it a bit bigger, different shape, it's okay. You like it, dice it in cubes. Yeah. If you want children to eat this, it has the one you will do with a little bit ripe than this one. Yeah. So that is it. This is raw pawpaw. Then I finished cutting now. I put in the bowl, getting ready to cut my onions and tomatoes and other things, okay? Then red oil. Let me be getting ready to have the oil. So this is my onions. You chop your onions. It looks on the shape. Also you like. You want it to be smaller than this, it is 100% possible. I cannot make anything without garlic. I love garlic so much. See that you take garlic oil, yeah? And the easiest way to remove the back, I always tell people, I don't know about you. I cut it the way it is, then I will quietly now remove the sharps. Have you seen it? So what I'm putting now is garlic. You can put 5 to a single plate like this. That is the garlic. Then you remove the back as you have finished making, so that it will be fast also. Have you seen how fast it is cutting it with the back? Yeah, but if you are removing it, it's difficult. You get, yeah, that's why we do what we cut with back and we remove now. Very fast and very easy. I love doing my cookery fast. Don't waste people's time. Wants to sleep and you are still cooking, okay? So things must be very quick. So that is it. Then now we do tomatoes. with our tomatoes. That is it. So I'm waiting for the oil now. So I love oatmeal a lot. I love oatmeal. Okay, the saucepan is up, waiting for it to dry off the water. Then we put the red oil. I love cooking with red oil. Anything I do, I use palm oil. Call it red oil or palm oil. Either red oil or olive oil. And olive oil, remember what I taught us the other time, you don't overheat it. Yes, it's not even supposed to go on fire. Yeah. So this one now, you have seen my red oil. Okay. So I add little, just little quantity. And immediately I put it, I don't leave it to overheat. No. Because I don't want to kill the nutrients I'm supposed to enjoy. Now I am adding my tomatoes with my onions and the garlic, these three things. Okay. It is straight away. Against the meat, put it straight away. Salt. So this is oatmeal. Yeah, I love using oatmeal a lot in my thing, just like moringa. These two vegetables, I don't joke with them. Yeah, for sure. And then running water, all these things are they have been washed before. Yeah, so I'm trying just to get a little rinse again for this moment. So some people will not cut this subdue. Depends on the shape you want to get on the right. So you have seen now, I am putting my hot milk. So this, the protein you can put here, you can use eggs. Yeah, so I'm adding my vegetable, my hot milk, because I want it to give me taste. Yeah, I want to smell that taste and also the nutrients it gives. Remember, we've not added the water, so you now get your water and the food. That is purple. Porridge. Wow. Are you seeing how it looks already? Okay. So you allow it to get done a little bit, then you don't overcook it. It's just like cooking any other vegetable. You don't overcook it so that the nutrients content will not decrease. Yes, you just allow the fire to heat on it a little bit, then you remove and serve. That is it. So it's time to put salt. I prefer using this salt than any other salt. Yeah, I've told you the name of this salt the other time. I call it Hima. Yeah. Yes. Good to go. So that's it. Then this is what we have just made now. You have seen it. That is purple porridge. Have you seen it? If you want, you boil your eggs and you put, if you still want to, you can bring in any protein of your choice to eat with this. Okay, please try it. And then also, I need questions. If there are things I've taught in the past and you're like, you didn't get it properly, just mail me. Yeah, email me so that I will give you the teaching again. I will come back and explain more about it. Thank you for joining us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And remain blessed.
Watching. This was just a sample. we have much more to share with you. Please check out our channel, subscribe, and enjoy our weekly uploads featuring different natural health tips, home remedies, and healthy living advice for you and your family. Stay healthy, stay informed, and see you in the next video.